I could go out in the dark, I see you calling my name. I hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same.
Hi, hello friends. Today we are visiting Mall of the Emirates shopping mall. This is one of the largest shopping malls in Dubai. We are on the way to Mall of the Emirates and I don't know what this building is. It just looked very beautiful with dropped chandeliers and ample portico space with beautiful architecture. We wanted to shoot this and enter into the building, driving slowly and exit the building.
You're throwing right into my bag. Doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Stop talking, let me go. Our time together always ended up in war. Every whisper made you jealous, and that from the start. It is nice to see you shouting out for throwing me out. No excuses, but this time it's gonna be the last. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Oh, baby, let me go.
We have taken this entrance assuming this is the car parking for Mall of Emirates, but it doesn't look like car parking for the mall. As we can see here, only taxis are moving.
Now I go out in the dark, smiling back at your face with a nice and cozy feeling after leaving your place. This road will lead me somewhere I don't really know, but it's somewhere someone always makes my name somehow. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Stop shouting, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Oh, baby, let me go.
Now we are taking another entrance. Yes, this is the parking area for the mall. This looks like combined parking area, as we can see the parking area directions for this mall. The far end of the entrance is the parking allotted for this mall. I visited this mall, Mall of Emirates, only once, that is while shooting this video, and I don't remember well about this mall. It is a huge mall and we couldn't see everything in one go. It was late evening when we entered this mall and it was a brief visit. We spent more time in the play area and snow park and we couldn't see entire mall. Also, I did not visit this mall in later years. So it did not get registered in my mind very well and I can't narrate much about my experience about this mall. I forgot to mention, this mall also has Carrefour supermarket, but we didn't have time to enter into it. Most of the malls have shops in the same fashion. Only the length and breadth and number of floors varies. But several malls make a strong impression in our brains. They have some uniqueness in their look and feel. For example, Ibn Battuta Mall has the roof that looks like a sky studded with stars. Also, it is a theme expressing mall. Wafi City reflects Egyptian culture. Lamsey Plaza has a climbing doll which is the prime attraction. Whenever we hear the word Lamsey, climbing doll pops out of our mind. Burjuman has unique water fountain that captures the minds of the people. Whenever I hear city center, Carrefour comes to my mind. For several years or decades, city center is only the mall that has Carrefour supermarket. Other Emirates has malls with Carrefour supermarket, but I am talking about malls in Dubai. Hamrain Center, though not very popular mall, has a twisted water fountain. I can't say it's a fountain. Water falls from the roof and reaches the floor that looks like a string. Multiple water strings stretches from the roof to floor that forms a letter H, and there is a twist in the middle of the water strings. This is unique attraction to this mall. The Marina Mall in Abu Dhabi has same kind of water strings falling on the floor from the roof, and these strings forms into a circle, and constant fumes emerge from this circle out of water. To the viewers, this looks like a hot water fountain. I am talking about this mall 20 years ago. You can see this video in my channel. I have visited the mall again in 2006 and I can't see any fumes, but the fountain remains in the same place. I am trying to say this is unique landmark for this mall. I can remember only these malls with distinct features or landmarks. If I missed out any, you can drop in comments section. This mall, that is Mall of Emirates, is well known for the snow park. The skiing track starts at a height of 100 meters above the ground level. When we see this mall from outside, the skiing track is projected out of the mall, which can be easily spotted from long distance. Earlier, these kind of large fun machines existed on the ground with open to sky. Now they find their way inside the malls also. Of course, the area in the mall should be large enough to accommodate these machines. I saw these large fun rides in two malls only in Dubai. One is this mall and I don't recollect the name of the other mall. Also, snooker and snowballing can be seen in this mall alone. When I talk about shopping malls, I usually don't go to food courts. If I go to Lulu hypermarket, I used to buy stuffed parathas and pack them and go to my flat and eat them. Once upon a time, there was a small counter selling hot stuffed parathas. It was so popular, usually there is a long line to wait for our turn. You order, they prepare and give you fresh and hot. This particular kitchen shop existed for a few months only. I don't know what the reason is, it was removed. It was located at the end of the mall where we can find sweets, snacks, rotis, breads and other eatables. There is also a food court available outside of the mall located on the front side of the mall. All North Indian special snacks, sweets, and there is a good menu of covering many varieties of thalis. I like this food court and once in a while I visit this food court. Except these two, I don't go to any food court in any mall. Once I was in city center and really tired after shopping and horribly hungry. Whenever I visit city center, I used to buy zatar bread, which is my favorite food. I eat it after reaching my flat. But this particular day, all my energy is drained out and unable to drive to my flat also. I can't even come down and walk till the car parking area. I went to upper floor where food courts are located and desperately went through all the courts. But I couldn't find any traditional food. I thought I could at least have a cup of coffee to get some energy. I went to a small store selling cinnamon sticks and coffee. Cinnamon sticks are my favorite snack, and in this particular shop, I noted these sticks are twisted like a rope and around 6 inches tall. I ordered cinnamon sticks and black coffee. I was calculating how many sticks may cover my hunger. The order was on the table, and there was a large bucket with around 10 to 12 sticks. A large mug of steaming black coffee was served. One person cannot eat so many sticks. I wanted to have only half of them, but the shopkeeper said there is only one size of bucket available. Since I was in utter hungry, I finished half the bucket and half the mug of coffee. There are 4 sticks left, and I ate 2 sticks while enjoying my favorite taste of cinnamon. My stomach was full, but I did not want to waste my favorite food, and slowly I finished the last 2 sticks and the rest of the coffee. The price is also cheap. I am totally satisfied and enjoyed the food. Now I was feeling heavily while walking with stomach full of cinnamon sticks. It gave me a full kick and drowsy feeling while walking. So that was the story of City Center cinnamon sticks. I am not sure whether the shop is available now. It is located on the left side when you step out of the escalator. This is located opposite end of the courts, that is on the left side of the pathway. It is approximately in the middle of start to the end of this wing. If you can find the shop, you can give it a try for once.
Hello, if you like this video, please see all my previous videos. If you like them, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.
When I see these animal models, looks like this part of the animal model got deleted while editing. 40 minutes video is shrinked into 15 minutes video. When I see these animal models, I remember seeing live animals selling in shopping malls in Philippines. Cats, dogs, monkeys, pigs, rats, rabbits, birds, and so on. I have never seen any shopping mall selling live animals. All large shopping malls in Manila are connected with elevated metro trains. Every shopping mall has a railway station in any one of the floors. Just get down right inside the shopping mall and get into the train with all of your shopping bags and get down in the station where your car is parked. When I am making this video, I remember this and I thought Mall of Emirates could have designed like this, since this is a huge mall and can easily accommodate railway station inside the mall. Also, Dubai Rail Network is anyway elevated and could have easily connected right into this mall. When I visited this mall, I had not seen malls in Philippines. Now that I have seen both, when I am editing this video, I got this thought. Hope you have enjoyed Mall of Emirates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.